1 Orlando Pirates, North Maromo Gallants. Sanibona bafethu uvanilo. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ama-positives nama-negatives ale game le bafethu. Ade sibuye igame emnandi endlela eyisimanga bafethu. Nje ade sibuka nje ama-team awu2 akwazile ukuthi afike kwi-final okuyi-Orlando Pirates ekwazile ukuthi idlale izifike kwi-final. NeMaromo Gallants iyakwazi ukuthi ishaya ama-team anjengo-Mamelodi Sundowns, ishaya ama-team anjengo-Steelers nabo-Arrows ukuthi bafike kwi-final. So nje wasifikile nje lo kwi-final le ngizokhuluma ngendlela Orlando Pirates eyi-approach ngakhona le game le, ngendlela Orlando Pirates edlale ngakhona ekwazile ngakhona ukuthi inqobe iMaromo Gallants. Yabona masikhuluma iMaromo Gallants asikhulumi ngani noma yipi team. Yabo kule season iMaromo Gallants seke yayishaya iOrlando Pirates, seke sashawa iMaromo Gallants. So kule game le besazi vele ukuthi siyo expectani. Yabo we expected a very strong Maromo Gallants, i-team eyazi ukuthi ifunani. Yabo okuqala nje iyaqala ngqa uthi idlale ifinal ye-Carling Knockout. Njoba iqala nje uthi izodlala ifinal ye-Carling Knockout, iyodlala neclub okuyi-Orlando Pirates ekade yagcina ukuyiwina ngo-2011. So omabili lama club lawo befuna ukuprova ipoint ngale cup ade idlala namhlanje. Orlando Pirates ke iyona egcine ikwazile ukuthi iwine ngegoli elikoro ubani, ngegoli elikoro umfuking. So ngizoqala nje nge-approach. Yabo approach Orlando Pirates bafethu indlela i-approach ngakhona le game le. Orlando Pirates i-approach le game le ngobani, ngoChain, uMbokazi, uSiyema, uNdaba, uLebitso, uMakhawula, uMbatha, uNemtajela, uSunapolice, uMfukeng benoMagopa. Yabo it's not an approach esijwayele ukuyibona kakhulu le bafethu, judging by the facts that Orlando Pirates vele inawo ama players yabo angimele adlala ama position awo, but ke ucoach namhlanje udecide ukuthi team kumele i-approach lapha eswini ngani nge-8-8. Yabo i-8-8 against a team like iMaromo Gallants. Masinibheka ama games eMaromo Gallants kule tournament le nizobona vele ukuthi iMaromo bekuyi-team e-defensive. Yabo bekuyi-team e-defensive le, bengasiyona i-team esingayihlalela nathi emuva siyidefendela, but ke iMaromo ibe defensive le game le, and niyibonile indlela edlala ngakhona. Yabo niyibonile indlela edlala ngakhona, ebingafuni ukusuka kakhulu emuva, misuke emuva ebiphuma ama-counter. Yabo oTladisa sibabona, oNdlondlo sibabona. uNdlondlo ke ubole umdlalo lo besihlupha kakhulu namhlanje. For me he was their best player. Yabo bekube uNdlondlo mase kuba ugoalkeeper wabo. Ugoalkeeper wabo akhona ama-saves awashayile. Yabo akhona ama-saves awashayile. Going to the players, I was really not happy with the fact that siluze amabhola amaningi. Kunamabhola amaningi futhi kunama chances amaningi actually esiwaluzile lapha. Ngabe le game mhlambe sikwazile ukuyiwina maybe ngo4, maybe ngo5. First half there were two big opportunities. Evidence Magopa ahlulekile ukuthi awacapitalize, but ke credits to the boy Mjida ukwazile ukuthi abuyele egamini akwazi ukusiza team. But ke kule game le I didn't think bekuyigame yakhe Mjida. Yabo nibonile futhi ephuma kwakhe asenzanga okuningi. Yabo asiyenzanga into etheni, but yena bedingakala kule game le, judging by the facts that besidlala vele against i-defense ehlala kakhulu emuva. Nimbonile ukuphuma kwakho ama-Evidence Magopa akuyisizanga kakhulu i-team, even though naye bekhona lawo ma-opportunities ade wathola ade ngacapitalize. I was really happy with the introduction of lo Mjida lo uNdaba. I was really happy with the introduction kaNdaba. uNdaba bafethu uMjida kancane uya-improve. Kancane uya-improve. I hope le injury ayitholile bafethu uMjida uzolulama asheshe abuye. I hope uzoshesha abuye before ibuyele i-league. Another player ongijabulisa kakhulu bafethu uLebitso. uLebitso namhlanje udlale kakhulu. Yabo bungamnikeza naye i-man of the match. uMjida udlale kakhulu. Yabo i-man of the match ithole ubani? Osunapolice ithole i-man of the match, but ke to be honest bengasiyona igame yakhe namhlanje. uMjida udropile. Yabo udropile, and nginama question marks regarding bani Osunapolice, regarding yena nama big games. Kuma big games unako ukuthi adrop iform uMjida. Angazi kwenzakalani ngempela. Le game le bengamelanga sesiye kuma extra time. Yabo to be honest bengamelanga sesiye kuma extra time. Ngokwami bekumele nje le game siyibulale nje during igame. Sifile bani unumber 10. Yabo unumber 10 naye ungenile mfethu siyophela igame nakhona futhi sangakwazi ukuthi sidlale kahle. Yabo but for me igame le ibidinga nje a proper number 10 from the get go. Umdlalo ozokwazi ukuthi amove ibhola, umdlalo ozokwazi ukuthi i-team ikwazi ukudlala kahle. We cannot defend against a team vele edefendile. Obviously game lapho ngeyiziye ndawo. Yabo siloko nje siloko esibukana simdinga umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi ayi-challenge kahle iMaromo Gallants. Yabo thina besilekha leyo nto leyo. Yabo but ke credit to the boys abajida bayinikelile namhlanje, bakhombisile ngempela ukuthi kuningi abafuna ukukuzuza iOrlando Pirates. Yabo indlela abadlala ngakhona right now, they are playing as a team. You can see even the coach. I really like the coach, guys. Yazi ucoach each and every time abafana bebekora, each and every goal esengalibona ku-Orlando Pirates ucoach ugijima kuqala ushayisha labafana labahleli nabebhenchini uyena ufika kuqala ayohaga lo mdlalo okorile, which is very very good to see, which is very good. You don't see this kwabanye ucoach bakubheza Premiership. You don't see this. Ucoach uyabona ngempela ukuthi udlala nabo labajide groundini, ujima nabo. Yabo. Another positive engiyithandile namhlanje, I really like the fact that uSibisi uthathe ibhande lakhe. uSibisi walinikeza uMbokazi. Uthathe ibhande lakhe walinikeza uMbokazi mfethu, just for uMbokazi ukuthi alithathe indebe ayiqokule mfethu, ahambe kahle mfethu, simvalelise kahle. Like into emnandi lena bafethu, angazi noma niya understand yini. Like into ade vele ngiyifuna nje namhlanje, kade ngicabanga lento ukuthi what if uSibisi uyaligumula ibhande alinikeze uMbokazi kube uyena umuntu oqukula indebe. Into le engijabulisa kakhulu ukuthi ngiyibone namhlanje, yabo. So game namhlanje, to be honest, it was not a game kumina ngokwami, yabo, engasho ukuthi hayi, yabo, but nje ngijabulela nje into eyi1 ukuthi siwine enye indebe, yabo. Akusiyona igame engasho ukuthi yabo engayiqatsha ngayo, but lilinye, we won. At the end of the day, Mofokeng, he rose to the occasion. He's a star. He in big games, you cannot write off Mofokeng in big games. This boy, he will carry on at Orlando Pirates. This boy, no team. Mina ngitshela iqiniso, ayikho team ezofika la eSouth Africa efuna uzothenga uMofokeng imali encane. This boy, he knows big games. Iyazi big games mele kwenzi win. This is how you win big games. This is the secret weapon for Orlando Pirates big games. If we are not doing well, he is the guy that you shouldn't drop in a big game, because he will rise to the occasion and give you something. We can sign all the stars. Singayisayina zonke ita. But this boy, he's a Orlando Pirates. He's a walking Buccaneer, this one. Look at the passion. Look at the passion, bruh. Look at the passion. And understand the Buffett. You guys don't understand. You guys don't understand the feeling. This team is everything. Yabo. But again, it was a game, Buffett. How did you feel about the game? Mina ngokwami, ngayinikeza 6 out of 10. Yabo, kuwa wonke ama-finals esengawabo for Orlando Pirates, I don't think i-final le engasho ukuthi ngifuna ukuyikhumbula. Yabo, akusiyona i-final esiyiwine kahle, akusiyona i-final esiyiwine kamnandi. I think size kule game le vele with the mindset ukuthi sesiyiwinile, which was a wrong thing to do against a team like iMarumo Gallants.